Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to candle eggs. We have to open this up. We're going to have to do this quickly so they don't get too cool. So we take this. Oh, I can't tell. Oh my goodness.
I don't see anything.
Okay. Man, these dark eggs are hard to see.
I can't tell.
Can you? Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see if we can see anything in any of these. I don't know. Oh wait, I see something right there.
Oh, I see it.
Yep. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
It's moving. See it?
Oh.
There's a little chicken in there. Do you see that? It's moving.
Oh. There's a little chicken in there.
Okay, all right. Let's do this quickly. Oh my goodness.
Nothing in those.
How can you see?
You won't be seeing anything in those.
Wait. I think there's something in there. I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one.
You can't see through the green ones.
It is hard to see.
Try some of the lighter brown ones.
I can't tell. I have friends that can look at these and tell. All these green ones, I can't tell.
Yeah.
Look, you can see something there.
Right.
I don't know if there's anything in there.
Try this lighter one.
Wait a minute. These are the green ones. I'm gonna need somebody to help me with this because I don't know what to do. All right, let's look. All of these have something in them, but I don't know what, because that's not where the air cell is. The air cell is up here.
Right.
Oh, I see veins. You see the veins?
Oh, yeah, I see them.
I see veins in this one.
That's good.
Yep, I see veins in that one.
Try these
We may have to, I will. We gotta do them all, honey.
How we do?
Yep. There's veins in that one. I see something moving.
The baby
Okay,
chicken.
let's see. Let's look in here. I don't know. I don't know.
Why are we so clueless?
There's one in there. Yep, I see it. See it moving in there?
Wait.
It's moving.
Oh.
There's one in there. Isn't that cool?
That's so cool. I see veins.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
I see veins in this one.
Ooh,
there it is. Jasper's been
doing his job.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see this one. I see grass. There's veins in that one too.
I see it.
You see him?
Oh, there he is. He's moving. Go to turn it again. Other way. If you turn him around.
I don't want to drop it. You gotta be very careful. Alright, we got a few more to do and then we gotta get him back in the incubator.
Don't know about that one. Don't know about that.
I see veins.
I don't know about that one.
I think most of these are good. I don't know. I can't. Oh man, I'm so bad at this. Oh, I see babies in there. Or that might be a blood ring. I don't know. That might be a blood ring.
I don't know.
Amy, I'm gonna need your help with this. I think that's a blood ring. I don't think that one's good. I'm gonna leave it in here for now. I see veins. You see movement. See?
Oh,
There it's
yeah,
moving.
there it's
Oh my
moving.
goodness.
It's right there.
That's so cool.
Aww.
That is so cool.
That's so cool.
I wish I could see in there. Like, I wish I had a window.
Don't we all?
Oh, I see movement.
Oh, I see that.
Yep.
Yep, there's one in there.
There's one in there. 4 more.
Oh, I see movement right there.
I see veins. I think.
Maybe.
Yep, it's
There
moving.
he is. I love this.
Well, they may not make it all the way to day 21, but we'll see. Wonder if they're just reacting to the light.
Don't know about that one.
Can't tell. Yeah, I see
Oh,
stuff.
there it
Yep,
is.
yep,
It's
yep. I
moving
see it
right there.
moving
There
right
it
there.
is.
There it is. Oh my goodness. It's so fun. It's like chicken ultrasounds. Yep.
There, yep, there it is right there. Oh, it's a baby chicken.
These will all be purebred Maran. Rooster, chickens, whatever. Roosters, hens. Hopefully more hens than roosters.
Don't know about that one.
Don't know.
That one's a little hard.
This one might not be anything.
Yeah, I don't know. We gotta go.
I know. This is the last one. I see.
Veins.
I think I see veins. Oh, there's movement. Right there.
Oh, I see it. It's a little baby.
Just don't drop it.
Oh, there's movement.
Do you see it?
Yep.
Can't see me. Yep, I see movement over here.
Aw.
Alright. Let's do this really quickly. I want to just look at this one more time. I can't see anything in there. I don't know how to tell.
Oh, that's weird.
It's the green ones that I'm just not sure about. Here. They are awfully hard to see. These are the Legbar. These are the Legbar eggs. But I can't tell. Let me do it one more time. I want to check these. I don't see veins. I just see like...
Well, we'll have to see. You may not be able to use a candle like that for these eggs.
Should be able to.
Okay. Yep.
Hold on.
They're gonna get cold.
That's grass. That's not a...
They're gonna get cold, Mom.
The hen gets off the nest. I see a vein there, I think. But I can't really make... See, there's the air cell. See
Right,
that?
Right.
But I just can't tell.
Don't drop it.
I'm trying not to drop it. I have no idea. That is bizarre. My friend Amy can tell me probably. Or my chicken people will tell me. I don't see anything moving like the other eggs. I don't see anything moving in them.
You might not be able to. Okay.
Oops. One more.
Uh-huh.
But they all look like that.
Mom, they all look like that. Because their shell is different.
There's the air cell. You can see the air cell.
Right.
Yep, see that? That's the air cell. But I can't see. I don't want to drop it.
Yeah.
I just can't tell.
And that concludes our egg candling
Okay,
chicken
that's good.
ultrasound.
Don't take pictures of me because I didn't